Hello viewers, welcome back to DDN Television. Today on fashion, bringing to your screen hairstyle for ladies that you can make for this heat period. Hey, heat is too much, this heat is too much. Oh, yes, so sweetie, are you tired of searching for that perfect hairstyle you can make for this heat period without being left out? Search no more, my love. I love you so much, for I am here to take you on a ride with me. Yippee! Here we go. So stay glued to your screen while we explore. Yeah, yes, sir. All right. At number one, we have the short hair. Yes, you can make short hair in this heat period. Yes, that's the best and suitable for this heat period. There are a whole range of short hairstyles you can slay. This short hair ranges from cornrow to natural twist, locks, braid, and natural hair updo. Now let's break it down. Yes, you know, it looks like we're speaking big grammar. Let me break it down so that you can understand. All right, cornrow. This is known for its famous name as all back, which has dominated the hairstyle fashion over the years, finding its spot as the king of hairstyle, affordable for both the rich and the average. You know, you cannot say poor. Nobody is poor out there. We are all rich or average in one way or the other. Yes, so students and working class ladies can slay it and still look great. Like, there's this natural beauty. I don't know if anybody has noticed it, that this all back used to give someone. The cornrow can come with your natural hair, or you can add something to it. You can add something like kinky, you can add your attachment, you can add your wool, you can add anything. Just slay it in this and make it scanty. The next one is your natural twist, where you can use your natural curly hair. This twist is for you when you have natural curly hair. This is also good for the heat period. This twist is one of the protective hairstyles for lovers of virgin hair. It looks rich and chic. Lovers of virgin hair, like those of you that love virgin hair, natural twist is good for you. Yes, so another one is locks. Yeah. You can go in with your short locks. This is suitable for the heat period. It gives you room for ventilation in your hair. When you do those short hair, lovers of lock, you can slay your hair this season without being left out. The way you just slay like this, the heat could enter, air could enter your body. That heat go, they go make and smell go come out. Number one, also we have braids. That's another one. You can have braid with your natural hair. You can as well go in with your attachment, kinky, and the rest, blah blah blah. Yes, once maintaining a short length, you can have it as neck length, shoulder length. However, you can slay it with the way you pack your hair. You can pack it half updo. You can do it, you can leave it as it cascade down your shoulder. You can just pack it ponytail, the way you pack it, or you can just pack it all back and slay it to wherever you wanna go. Yes, so another one is a natural hair updo. Yes, these people with virgin hair, you can style your hair, especially those with virgin hair. Style it updo and bring out a little, like when you pack your hair like this, pack it up back. You not bring out small, now baby face, bring it out. You will be looking like a baby doll. Yes. Also, earlier you can also go good with, like, there's a way you can also pack it all back together. Everyone, you can now use the edge control and style it anyhow you want. So this natural updo is very good, and it also gives space for air. Yes, air will enter your hair. You can now massage it and itch it or scratch it anyhow you want. For lovers of long hair or those people that want to do long hair, let me here is an advice for you. You can go for bold and scanty braid. Do not go and do 1 million braid or you do 1 million locks and twist for air to enter your hair and for your own comfort, so that you don't be smelling. Some people when they pass you, is their head like smelling. This heat period is an injury time. Okay, let's talk about bold braid. This braid is not expected to be tiny or much. It should be something that will be easier and comfortable for the sunny days. You can decide to do like about 20 bold braids. Yes, like air will enter your hair, like, and also you can slide. Yeah, okay guys, let's take a look at this. Yes, the picture is and the video is nice. Okay, next one, talk about the lock and twist. The lock and twist is, oh my Jesus, is very very nice. Like, make sure that it's not too ambiguous, it's not too big. As a result of the heat, you might be tempted to lose everything due to heat from the scalp, but with fewer locks and twists or braid, you are rest assured that your hairdo will last for you for a long time, as you wish you. So I just want to do 3 weeks. So guys, finally, I believe that with this, I don't want to see anybody that is looking like someone that escaped bomb blast or sharing pillow with somebody under the bridge. Do not forget to drop your comment in the comment section, your likes, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share and like our video. I still remember your sweet girl Kelly. Hello viewers, welcome back to DDN Television. Today on fashion, bringing to your screen the suitable ideal outfit for men to slay in this heat period. This heat now, wow, it reached to us whether if somebody left the gate of hell open, because like what is happening, this heat is too much. Like guy, for real, the heat is too much. Okay, all right. Yes, so yeah, those guys that want to look simple, yes, stylish, ranging from casual outfits to that of occasion. I am here, my darling, my sweetheart, my sugar and my custard. I am here to serve you with how to slay your fashion sense in this heat period. There is this post I read. Yes, there's this post I read in the internet which says, men have zero fashion sense. Guys, do you believe with that? All right. Oh yeah, come here. Come here, let us zoom in our dive. All right guys, nice tailored trouser is advisable and suitable during sunny days. Stay glued though while I teach you how to slay your clothes. As a good short, add a good short with light colored loose shirt. You can also go in with your sandals and off to your destination. When you slay down your nice loose shirt with your shorts or your vintage shirt with your shorts or your trouser, is good, you can slay it. Those of you that prefer nice tailored trouser and shirt, believe me, loafers or sneakers is superb for your outfit. Not every sneakers though, not sports sneakers. There are sneakers that is portable and comfortable that you can slay with your casual outfit. Yes, when you slay this, there is no way you will not be appearing chic and responsible. For the casual wear during sunny days, you can also go in with your jersey. For the fact you are around 17 to 30 years, coupled with your sneakers or boots, you are good to go, my darling. You can as well go with your pants on, off your head to your little destination. Like when you wear your pants, your shorts, your jersey or your joggers, so you can just style it with anyhow you want to style. You can style it with your loose singlet, or you can style it with just free shirt, free loose shirts, and style it your pants. You can now go, because you can blend into this casual societal wear. Okay, for a streetwear or a walk-in outfit, sweetheart, you can go with light vintage shirts and nice tailored trouser. For your occasions too, you can also go with breathable vintage clothes or senatorial materials. Let's take a look at this video. guys, I believe that after this I wouldn't want to see any male, any man out there under the hot scorching sun with hoodie, sweatshirts and joggers. Because if I catch you, I will personally take you to the hospital, because they need to check something. How can you be wearing sweatshirts and hoodie under hot sun? You can go out with your joggers and your singlet, style it together, and you can go to your destination. Please, my guys, don't forget to tell me what you think about the male attire, or what you think is possible you can slay in this heat period. Drop your comments, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our video. Bringing to your screen the different hairstyle you can slay with kinky. Yes, so stay glued to your screen whilst we explore. Are you looking for that perfect hairstyle to slay for both events and this hot weather, using kinky without necessarily emptying your account just to look great? Don't worry, your sweet girl have you covered. Like, I got your back, my darling. You know, I have always loved you guys so much. The love I have for you, so massive. All right, at number 1 we have the kinky twist bob hairstyle. This is the most iconic style for ladies and married women. Yes, sir. That you are married does not mean that you shouldn't slay and shine. Who said that? Who the zuzu ties? That you are married, you supposed to shine. Say, now that way you go the shine where. This hair does wonders for ladies and is good for this heat period. This kinky twist bob is so nice, especially that scenario where it's giving that bobby vibe, like that bobby vibe where you, oh my god, you now do your hair like this. Take a look, guys. The bob like is bobbing. Somebody said the bob is bobbing. All right, and number 2 we have the accessorized kinky twist. Ooh, this involves decorating your twist. Like, after making your hair, your kinky hairstyle, now start decorating it, dressing up your hair with few charms, just like you dress up in front of your mirror, giving up charms. You add stuff like cowries, butterfly clips, nice and fancy colored hair clips and pins to your hair. This is one of the most protective hairstyle for those of you that is complaining about my hair is cutting, my hair is this. You can use kinky accessorized hairstyle just for your hair. All right, here we go. At number 3 we have the kinky twist updo. Yes, stack your kinky twist into a fun updo style. Like updo, what I mean updo, you pack it, bring it up here for a cute and fun new style. You can also make it a half updo. Like updo, you know what I mean updo is pack all of them or bring it up here. Then when I mean half updo, you now just take a half of it, pack it up, then you now leave the rest to drop on your shoulder or drop on your neck. These are also one of the most protective hairstyle, one of the most protective hairstyle to make for your hair. Am I communicating? All right, at number 4 we have the long kinky twist. Lovers of long hair, this is unarguably the best way to go. When you want a textured loose hairstyle, you can also play with colors on your hair. Yes, you can be like, okay, you can start from your scalp and make black, then the ending part you can make it red, or you can make it blonde, or you can make black and blonde. It's just something you think you can decide for yourself. All right, we have the other types of kinky hairstyle that follows. We have the number 5, the blonde kinky twist. Like, wow, Jesus, this blonde is nice. Like, he's giving that blonde. Oh my god, can you see how he's giving? Number 6 we have the crochet kinky twist. Wow, like, oh, wow, Jesus Christ, like after braiding your hair you're not, oh good. Oh, kinky has a crochet twist. Like, can you imagine? For real, so many things that we don't know, guys, are too much. Number 7 we have the kinky coily twist. Oh my god, so kinky don't get coily twist. Gay. Number 8 we have the fashion kinky twist. This one are for dogu wife now. If you not say your money ever reach, not just near this one, no, because this one are waiting. They use no women will be ballers. You know, say as they get men for ballers, they get women for ballers. So my lovely fans, my dear listeners, the love of my life, I implore you to drop what you think in our comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share. I still remain your sweet girl, Kelly. Bye for now and see you guys in my next video.